everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Instagram account's password if you've forgotten it. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Type in www.instagram.com into the web address bar and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the login screen for Instagram. In case you've forgotten your password during your Instagram login process and you don't know what to do next, then all you need to do is to click on this forgot password link beneath the login with Facebook option. Enter your email address, your phone number, or your username in the text box. You can type in any one of the information that is associated with your Instagram.com account. After you do that, click on send login link. You'll need to confirm that it is you who's trying to log in, so click on this I'm not a robot box and click next at the bottom. Now, a link has been sent to your email address that is associated with Instagram. Simply go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email account associated with Instagram. Open up your inbox and you'll receive an email from Instagram. Click it open, and as soon as you open up your inbox, it will give you two options. You can log into your account right away by clicking on this login button, or if you want to reset your password so that next time you don't have any trouble logging into your account, simply click on reset your password link. On the next page, you'll get to create a strong password for yourself. Go ahead and type in your new password in the first text box. Type in the new password in the next field again. And once the password matches, click on reset password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset to a new password for Instagram. That is how you can easily get back to your account and also reset your password even if you've forgotten your password during logging in to Instagram.com account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.